What's up, guys? Today we are changing trailer braking as you know it. We're excited to be releasing the Lippert ABS product on all Diamond C trailers with 8K axles and above as standard equipment and optional on 7Ks. This technology is insane. It not only uses drum brakes more efficiently, but it's also incredibly safer. This same technology has been being used in the auto industry for decades and is now available at Diamond C. Stay tuned for more content where we will deep dive into just how this technology will go to work for you. And remember, it's only available at Diamond C.
It was awesome. The whole thing was first class like usual. The HXD, we had a SkyTrack on the back, took a lap around, and the driver was cutting the wheel left and right. Not a chance I would do that myself. Straight as that trailer pulled behind it, and really, it just tied the string between the trailer and the truck. Super impressive, excited about the ABS system.
Blows my mind that we can run 20,000 pounds on a trailer and stop the way that we just did.
It's crazy.
Blows my mind.
Yeah.
If you wanted to know, that's my opinion.
Oh, it's awesome. Game changer. Wouldn't believe it if I didn't feel it myself, so.
Especially from a safety aspect as well.
I would definitely say the HXD, this way. Yeah, that was impressive for sure. There wasn't much like precursor to know what we're going to be doing. So when he whipped that wheel, I thought for sure we're going to wipe out, but that thing held steady.